In the video today, we're going to be talking about how you can turn a PDF document into a flipbook. You might be wondering, what is a flipbook? A flipbook is an online publication that brings your PDF document into the digital space. And if you think about the old school magazine where it's got that tactile flipping feature, but with today's technology, it's got additional bells and whistles to it. While you may see it used for magazines, product catalogs, and so forth, there are wider applications that you can use it at work, such as presentations, reports, internal and external, procedural documents, training materials, and lots more. So let's jump right in. Here I'm using the Heyzine Flipbook Maker to convert my PDF document into a flipbook. I'll provide links in the description so you can check it out later. Signing in is pretty much easy, so all you need to do is go to the main homepage, sign up, use your Google account or an email account. So before we begin, I just want to give you a couple of tips before we actually upload our first document. The Hayzine Flipbook Maker will convert any size document, be it a presentation size, flyer size, or A4 size document. You just want to make sure that it's actually all the same size. Be it horizontal or vertical, it just all needs to be the same size. Otherwise, the Hayzine Flipbook Maker will actually crop the document. If you're not sure how to convert a PowerPoint slide to a PDF document, I'll put a link at the end of the video, so keep watching. One of the great features of the Hayzine Flipbook Maker is that you're not actually restricted by the size of your document. So if you've got a presentation that's 10 pages or 100 pages, you'll be able to easily convert that into a flipbook. Okay, so we're going to load our first document here, so let's begin. So now all you need to do is click on New Flipbook, locate the flipbook on your computer. So here I've got a presentation that I want to convert into a flipbook. It will only take a few minutes to upload, but this will depend on the size of your document. Okay, so it's now given a preview of the document that you've just uploaded. So all you need to do is click on this arrow here to actually preview the document as a flipbook. So you can see here, it's actually converted it into a flipbook where you can actually use the flipping tool to go back or forth. So you can edit the layout of the flipbook by going to the page effect here, and you can select from a number of options, magazine, flipbooks, and whatnot. I actually like the look and feel of the magazine, so I'll just keep this here. So you can also turn off the flipping sound by using the toggle button here. But I actually like that flipping sound. It actually is quite nostalgic, so I'll just leave that on. To add a title, you just need to go over here under title, type in the actual title of the document. Now, adding a title is particularly important. So if you want to search through social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, it's important to add a title here, as this will actually come up under the preview. To change the background color, you just need to go to background, add a background color. You can also customize the background color to suit your brand. Alternatively, you can actually use the stock library and add a background image. In this example, I'll just leave the background as it is. So depending upon the nature and sensitivity of your document, you can also password protect it by clicking on Password Protect. Here you can select from having a generic password for everyone. If you need to set up a password per user, you can actually do that here, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So as you can see, a flipbook is a great way to make your document interactive, and it's also a way to invite your readers to interact with your documents as well. So here I have some guidelines around stretch wrapping palettes. And as you can see here, there's lots of great information around safe work practices, but I just want to take it up a notch and actually include a video. Given that we know that everyone learns differently, some people learn by reading, other people learn by watching. Now, it's always recommended that you provide multiple ways, be it text and visual aids, to help team members understand the correct safety protocols. So to help with the learning experience, we're just going to add a video here. So to add a video, click Video, nominate where you want to add your video. Now this will give you a pop-up message here. You can add a direct link, link to YouTube, link to a video on Vimeo, or upload your video directly onto the Hayzine Flipbook Maker. Now, just to call out on that, there are size restrictions, so I'd always recommend either a direct link to YouTube, or linking it to a third-party platform. So in this instance, I have a video that I want to include as part of the flipbook. So here I want to include a link to a YouTube video, so I'll just click on YouTube, copy and paste the link here, And as you can see here, the video is automatically embedded into the flipbook. In the real world, I always recommend having team members perform the correct process. This way it's more relatable, more memorable, and team members can actually see the equipment used on site. And there you have it. Now, if there's any other information that you'd like to include or link to or embed, you can also add that here. So for an example, in the related information such as manual handling, transport, logistics and warehousing, if there are related tools, videos, web pages and whatnot, you can also embed links here. If you're happy with the document, all you need to do is hit share. This will automatically give you a link to the document. You can also send it out with an image, embed it onto your website using the HTML code, share it on social media, or also download it for offline use. So one of the other great features of the Heyzine Flipbook Maker is its stats feature. Now we've all been there where we've spent hours, days, if not weeks, pulling together an important report. Are people reading it? What are they reading? What insights are they most interested in? Here you can track and review the level of engagement to learn ways to improve your content. You can see where and how people are accessing the content, which will help you tweak your content to drive better engagement. Okay, so let's talk pricing. Hayzine offers a basic free plan where you can get 5 free flipbooks. It has unlimited pages that you can see here. So if you need to create additional flipbooks, if you want to remove the Hayzine logo from the actual document, you can actually go for the standard plan, which is $6 a month, or you can pay yearly at $69, and you can create as many flipbooks as you'd like. If you're interested in the additional add-on features such as the stats feature mentioned earlier, you need to upgrade to a professional plan, which is at $12 a month, or build annually at $147. Alternatively, you can check out their premium plan depending upon your requirements. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions. If you need help in converting your PowerPoint slide to a PDF document, click on the link here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.